Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to upload high quality videos on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. From the menu that appears from the bottom, select Settings. Then go to Account. Now find the option, Data Usage. Tap on it. Here you will see the new update, High Quality Uploads. If you don't see this update, wait for a few days, because Instagram is slowly rolling this update to every user. Now toggle the slider to turn it on. From now on, Instagram will upload higher quality videos on mobile or Wi-Fi. Additional processing time may be required due to larger file sizes. So in this way, you can upload high quality videos on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.